The question is often asked, why should I be in an apprenticeship program? At Bay Institute of Science and Engineering, we offer a solid foundational career pathway into precision machining and advanced manufacturing apprenticeship program opportunities. Our programs are delivered in 16-week segments and can begin as early as pre-apprenticeship programs that are currently offered in online format, and they are delivered in cooperation with high schools or trade schools. Of course, our journeyman programs begin in the shop, and you learn shop skills, which are also included with our technical related instruction. Bay Institute of Science and Engineering students will learn the technical skills that include, but not limited to, geometric dimensioning and tolerancing, manufacturing theory, metallurgy, computer integrated machining, overall equipment effectiveness, statistical processes and controls, applied math, blueprint reading, machine tool theory, quality control, safety, and CNC. Upon completion, students, or apprentices, will have the basic foundational skills to be successful in precision machining employment, and they'll meet the minimum qualifications to achieve a journeyperson's pathway through the Department of Labor approved apprenticeship programs such as CNC, precision machining, aerospace manufacturing technicians, tool and die making, mold making, and NC controls. It's also asked often, how much do apprentices actually earn? Apprentices usually start at about 40 to 50% of the journeyman's wages. Wages increase at regular intervals as job skills increase. The salary for the average journey person and workers competes with many college graduates. As of April 2nd, around 2020, the average annual pay for a journeyman machinist in the United States is somewhere around $54,213 a year. Well, ZipRecruiter is seeing annual salaries as high as $78,000 and as low as $28,500 depending on the precision of the job that you're working on. The majority of journeyman machinist salaries, though, currently range between $44,500 and $63,000 per year across the United States. How does one get started? What's the time commitment? What's the cost? And what's the outcome? How do the apprentices put you at an advantage, or how does an apprenticeship put you at an advantage? Well, let's look at how this actually works and how do I enroll in the program. To enroll in the program, you will be given a username and a password. Usually that username is your email address, and your password can be anything that you can remember. When you go onto our site, you'll be given an invite through your traditional email address. When you get that, all you have to do is click the URL, create your password, and sign in. There you'll see a list of all of your courses. When you get into the course groups, all you have to do is click the different course that you're enrolled in, and you can begin that course. As you move through the course, you'll be given several tests which you have to complete. Oftentimes, we're allowed to take 2 attempts at each test. We do that for a learning process. That helps us to teach the students through the testing processes that we have. We also have a mechanical aptitude test. With the mechanical aptitude test, that is a 4-part series test. This is often used as a placement test. It covers applied math, mechanical reasoning, mechanical and spatial relations, and theoretical reasoning. Apprenticeship structure across the United States is vast. The Office of Apprenticeship is divided into 6 regions: Boston, Philadelphia, Atlanta, Dallas, Chicago, and San Francisco. We have state and field offices throughout the country in the Department of Labor, and Bay Institute of Science and Engineering is a nationally accredited program, which means we're able to offer apprenticeship training in every state in the United States. What does an online apprenticeship classroom look like? We have a system set up where after 3 semesters of using the apprenticeship in the classroom, we have achieved these following results. In our first attempt, starting with students in 10th grade, the students' grade point level began at around less than 30%. By the second semester, they jumped up to just over 30%, and then by the end of that semester, they were almost at a 50 percentile range. In the second group, when we did this pre-test, and then we gave them a post-test after they were done with our courses, this is where their stats jumped to. And then in 11th and 12th grade, these also are the pre-tests and the post-test, meaning we have a very, very high success rate. Students come in, they take the test. At the end of our courses, this is where they placed. The average students after 2 years or 2 semesters working in our programs are somewhere in around the 90 percentile range. As we go through apprenticeship and we try to understand where apprenticeships are at, these are some of the obstacles that we have to deal with. So how do I log in as a student? All you will do is you will give us your first name, your last name, and your student ID, which is your email. We will then send you an invitation in that email, and you'll go through the process that we showed you before. Once you're into the program, you can move at your own pace. If you run into a snag on any test, we can help you by doing a GoToMeeting, by email, or by phone calls. We're here to help 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Remember that Bay Institute of Science and Engineering and AWT apprenticeships and pre-apprenticeships are here for you. To increase your skills, we transform lives by ensuring the right skills at the right time. And we will tailor any of the skills that we have or that we offer for an apprenticeship with a company to meet that company's needs. Thank you. We hope this gives you some insight to how you're going to train in apprenticeships, what we have in apprenticeships, and if you have any questions, please give us a call at 216-402-3912 or email Ken McCreight at kmccreight@bise.online. Thank you. I hope you have a great day, and we hope that we can be your next apprenticeship training partner.